Hello everyone, welcome back again to TNJ Home Remodeling, and today I have another video for you showing you step-by-step process in repairing a water damaged ceiling. You know, a client of ours have some leak upstairs coming from a toilet, and the result of that, it damaged a ceiling downstairs. So stay tuned as we go through this process. Here is the ceiling right here. As you can see, it is pretty much damaged, not a big area but an area to cause concern. So we're going to take it out and put in a new piece. Follow me upstairs so I can show you where all this water leak is coming from. Right behind this toilet caused all that damage. As you can see, the floor is really wet, water still pouring. That valve right there is dripping, and it seems to be that they did have a leak right there in the wall, right where the ShotBite coupling is. And if you look a little bit closer, you can see that there's a big crack in this toilet tank. So in more than one way, water was leaking from upstairs to downstairs and mess up the ceiling. No matter how small the area you're going to work, and no matter how small the project that you're working on, it's always important to prepare the area before you start working. Doing stuff like this is ensuring that your client's property is protected, floor, furniture, etc. Doing stuff like that will ensure you getting recommendation from your client so that you will always have work. Here is my brother, my partner, assessing the ceiling to see how much of it got wet. Now it's time to take out that bad part of the ceiling. This is done by my nephew. As you can see, the leak from upstairs damaged a portion of the ceiling, and we are in the process of closing back that cutout, taping it and plastering it. And today we are using the Easy Sand giant compound, the 20-minute and maybe some 5-minute, because it's not really a big job and we don't want to spend all day doing it. So we already take out that old toilet. Leak is fixed, the wall is closed, plastering, painting, and we're about to install a new toilet. As you can see, the ceiling is finally finished plastered. We are not going to wait for it to dry, then sand it. We're leaving it like this so that it can blend in and match with the remainder of the ceiling, which was not sanded. They just plastered it and painted, and we are doing the same. As usual, thanks again for watching TNJ Home Remodeling. Please like, comment and subscribe, and stay tuned for future uploads, okay? God bless.